Hi, welcome to Ty's Conscious Kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make an alkaline electric apple pie smoothie. And the items I'm using are currently on Dr. SEBI'S nutritional guide, and they are apples, ground clove, sea moss gel, fresh ginger, and ice. So let's begin. First thing first, we're going to make fresh apple juice. I have about 4 to 6 apples to make about 2 cups of apple juice. Now if you don't have a juicer, you can also use organic apple juice instead. I'm going to turn this on. Now we're going to make our apple pie smoothie. We're going to take the fresh apple juice, put it in the blender. We'll add some fresh ginger. This is optional. Sea moss gel. A dash of clove. And ice cubes. And we're going to blend it on a high speed until it's nice and smooth. Now it's done. This is a smoothie that we drink almost every day, so I decided to share it with everyone. And you can find the recipe on my website, TysConsciousKitchen.com. And there it is, Alkaline Electric Apple Pie Smoothie. It looks delicious. And it tastes delicious. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.